In this video, we're going to continue our hand graphing of functions. Today, we're going to graph the following function, arctangent of x plus 1 over x minus 1. So the first thing that we need to do is to find the domain. Okay, where are we going to graph this function? Clearly, we see that when x is different from 1, we have no problem. So the function is defined everywhere. And therefore, our domain is r minus 1. Okay, so this is minus infinity, 1 union 1 plus infinity. Second, we can find the limits. Okay, clearly here we can see that the arctangent is continuous. We can take the limit inside. Okay, therefore the limit of arctangent of x plus 1 over x minus 1 as x goes to plus infinity. So here this limit here of x plus 1 over x minus 1 as x goes to plus infinity, it's 1 here, and the arctangent of 1 is pi over 4. Okay, the limit as x goes to minus infinity, it's the same, it's 1. The arctangent of 1 is pi over 4. Okay, next the limit as x goes to 1 from the right. Okay, if we plug 1 here, so the limit here of x plus 1 over x minus 1 as x goes to 1 from the right, it's plus infinity, and therefore this is pi over 2. The limit as x goes to 1 from the left, it's minus pi over 2, as you can see. Okay. Next, the derivative. Okay. Here, f prime of x is going to be minus 1 over 1 plus x squared. Okay, you can use the chain rule and the derivative of the arctangent to arrive at this one. And this means that my function is decreasing everywhere. Okay, for all x in my domain, my function is going to be decreasing. Next, I'm going to compute f second, which is 2x over 1 plus x squared. Therefore, my function is concave up for the x bigger in D, and it's concave down for x less than 0 in D, my domain of definition. Okay, the function crosses the x-axis when x is 1, and therefore it has that point 0. So it crosses the x-axis at 1, 0, and it crosses the y-axis at 0 minus pi over 4. Okay, and therefore if I set my, this is pi, now this is my vertical axis, x equals 1. Function is not defined here, and this is pi over 4. Okay, and this is pi over 2 here. Okay, and this is minus pi over 2. This is the point where it crosses the x-axis. This is the point where it crosses the y-axis. Okay, and therefore it's decreasing here. Okay, so it's gonna be like, and it's concave up. Here it's concave down when x is less than 0. But something is gonna happen when I get to 0. So it's gonna switch here. Okay, so this is my function. This is the graph of the function arctangent of x plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay, and I clearly see this is the point 1, 0. This is the point 0 minus pi over 4, and this is pi over 4, pi over 2. This is my the vertical axis, x equals 1, and my function is concave up here, concave down here, between minus infinity and 0, and I think that's all I need. Okay, so it's decreasing because here it's decreasing everywhere because the derivative is less than 0 for all axes in D. Okay, and what else? Okay, and I think let me see one more thing here. I did this one very quickly. Okay, I have done. Okay, so here I need to correct one thing here that I did very fast. So the derivative, the first one, it's minus 1 over 1 plus x squared, and it's less than 0. Okay, so here this is the first derivative. That's the only mistake that I did. I was trying to hurry up. Okay, and besides that, I think everything should be clear, and you should follow the steps to graph the function by hand. Thank you.